Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Have you found yourself locked out of your Roblox account because of parental controls? It can be frustrating when you need to make changes but can't remember the PIN you set up. In this video, I will show you a simple solution on how to disable parental controls on Roblox even if you've forgotten your PIN. Let's go. Unfortunately, there's no way to reset the PIN yourself. To regain control of your account settings, you'll need to contact Roblox customer support. They understand forgotten PINs happen, but to ensure your child's account security, they may ask for specific information to verify your identity as the parent or guardian. So, head over to roblox.com/support on your web browser and fill out the form with your contact details so they know how to reach you. Next, choose the device you use for Roblox. Select the Account Hacked or Can't Log In category. And finally, pick Account PIN under Type of Help. To expedite the process, write a clear description explaining you forgot your PIN and need assistance regaining control. Once you submit your request, Roblox support will review your information and should get back to you as soon as possible. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.